Yo, man, what's happening? Better still low from last time. It's all good, though. Man, what's up with y'all, man? I know this probably a vlog that y'all been waiting on. Yeah, I probably been waiting on this vlog. It's okay. It's okay. I ain't even mad at y'all. Let me open this door on MayRose because I think I got something in here. What's these? That's that. What's this? Some transboats. Yeah. Okay, it's trans mount. What's this? Okay, I got my cross member. Okay, as long as I got them. Bag and tag. Okay, so I had to come out here and look to see where all my stuff was because I'm about to now I ain't gotta get on the ground. Good deal, cause I just knew I had to get on the ground. But yeah, I see I got my jumpsuit on. Yeah, dog, it's cold day. It was 29 degrees and I woke up this morning. But yeah, man, I'm about to go and get my I'm about to go down to the shop and grab my cross member, man, because y'all know that stock cross member on these cars, on these B bodies, you know what I'm saying? It's a big clunky hassle. You know what I'm saying? So I gotta get rid of that. So I'm about to go and pick up my cross member because I'm about to get somebody to make me one. My guy up at the job, man, Blake. I showed y'all that Oldsmobile 9.8. I think it was a 48. I think 40, 48, something like that. Yeah, he's a fabricator. I told y'all that. So I told him we were gonna be working together, man, on some things. So he is going to build me a cross member, man. He gonna build me a cross member, and well, he's gonna fabricate me a cross member, and man, we gonna put that thing in here, man. Somebody say he might do something real cute with it and fancy thing like that. So I'm looking forward to that. And I need to look up. I know what I'm gonna do about my coil breakers. I need to look up the. I need to see if I still got the link from Memphis Mike for that AC bracket. And we about to get this stuff started on MayRose. I ain't gonna put it in because the motor gotta come out. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna take the motor out and take the motor out and what else? Oh, take the motor out, put the new stuff in there, what needs to be done, slap everything back in together, motor and trans. I also gotta get some trans bolts, man, and the link will be in the description for those. You know what I'm saying? Get them from Amazon. They some better bolts. You know what I'm saying? They work better than what I had in there. So gotta do that. Gotta get the bolts. Like I said, the bolt's gonna be, that link is gonna be in the description, man, for those trans bolts, man, to make that thing back up. I also just talked to Jazz today, and he I told him I think we're gonna start on the rear deck first. Y'all know I took my rear deck out, and I took my rear deck out, sent it to Jazz. So yeah, we gonna do that. Talk to him about that. And I also gotta call that guy about the wiring, man, because something going on with my car. It be blowing the body fuse. I don't know what that is, but gotta figure that out. But right now, I'm about to head to go and get duty, man. Appreciate y'all for being here. Happy New Year to y'all. I'm sorry, I started it off wrong. Happy New Year to y'all. About to go and get duty, man. Man, please, man, run these likes up, comment, subscribe, man. Hit the links in the description, man, please. So yeah, let me go and do this. Run down here, get the cross member, come back, come leave that in the car because I'm gonna take the work with me tomorrow. I'll drop it off to him. And yeah. I don't think he gonna need the bolts and nothing like that, but if he do, I'll just run them to him or whatever. But yeah, let me go do that. Hit y'all in a second, man. Yeah. also picked up that old cross member, man. Y'all see this big goofy shit. I ain't put my car back over there. What is it? Shit, need to wash these cars. But yeah, man, y'all see this big clunky goofy shit, man. See if y'all can see it better. Well, yeah, I can see it. Battery finna die, but yeah. So I had to go pick that up, and I'm gonna drop that off tomorrow. Drop that off to him, send him the picture of the one that's made smaller, and he gonna go off of that. Yeah. Road to recovery for MayRose. We'll be back in a minute. And we going across some ass when we get back too. I ain't gonna say too much, but we definitely go cross some ass. Be right back. Well, I'll be back tomorrow to continue the video when I'm dropping the cross member off at work. Yeah. Y'all see the little cross? Y'all can't see it. This kid's right there. See the little cross member in there, man. Good morning. We back, man. I'm at work. Waiting on Blake to pull up. He'll probably pull up in a minute though. Battery still dead. I ain't changed my battery, but I just wanted to check in with John, let y'all know that, man. It worked for to drop this cross member off, shine his battery when he get here. Yeah, we'll get a little conversation or whatever and see what all he got planned for it. So y'all will be in the loop. So yeah, you go ahead and cut this off before it cut off on you. And I'll be back when Blake get here. Yeah. It's early, now you got a camera in your face. Say it's early as hell, and now you got a camera in your face. Oh, shit. So, yeah, let me go ahead and load this over here. Hold on. Alright, so, what we got? What we got, bro?
We're gonna make you a cross member for your car.
Well, can you explain the process of that? Can't really explain it.
Well, I can't really explain it, but
you haven't seen the picture of the other one.
Yeah, send me a picture of the other one. We'll make it off that design. We have a lot cheaper than that one.
Right.
I put it in a jig, get them all lined up, tacked up. Probably get it back to you tacked up. We'll see if it fits right. Then I fully weld it up.
Okay. Yeah. Like you don't need the bolts or anything.
Nah.
Okay.
No, I got plenty of bolts.
No, I'm saying because I got them. I'm saying, do you need the exact ones? Like you don't need them just for fitment issues and nothing like that, do you? Just
no, I got some.
Okay. Yeah. All right. So yeah.
We can
trying to make a cross member. See, might do something, make it pretty. Might put MayRose on it or something. I don't know. Shit.
Whatever we want on there, we do it.
Yeah. Might paint it purple and all kind of shit.
Nah, my favorite color now.
And we ain't doing that shit. We ain't not doing that shit. That shit gonna be so chipped up. Alright, but I appreciate you, man. Alright. So yeah, man, we gonna send that thing off, man. Let Blake do his thing with it. And yeah, let him do his thing. So he gonna send it back to me. But it just put together. You know, send it back to me, just put together, you know what I'm saying? See if everything fit. If it fit in there the way it's supposed to, then we're gonna roll with it. You know what I'm saying? Get up on the car, lay it up under there, and see what we got. I know it's gonna be kind of different because the actual transmission not gonna be there. but the actual transmission not gonna be there. But we should get a general gist of what's going on. Yeah, so hopefully all the measurements and stuff will be there, so that we can have a smooth transition, man, into this new cross member. Putting the transmission back in the car, man. Like I said, I'ma get some new transmission bolts, and they got a bigger gripping surface. They got a bigger gripping surface on those other bolts. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna link that down in the description down here, so that anybody doing a swap and they might need, you know what I'm saying, some bolts or whatever, or anybody that just needs some new bolts because they bolts ain't got that amount of gripping surface, that amount of gripping area. You know what I'm saying? You can go ahead and grab them up. Please hit the links. Please like. Please comment. Man, please subscribe. Yeah. Really all I can tell you to do. You know what I'm saying? I'm hoping that y'all, you know what I'm saying, go ahead and catch on with this, because it seems like a whole lot of y'all ain't catching on with it. But it's okay. We're gonna get it together. But we are moving forward with MayRose, man. I looked up the AC breaker yesterday, so I might do that. Might go ahead and do that. But the main thing that I'm really trying to do is go ahead and get my cam lifter kit, my heads, get all that stuff done. So the motor is coming out, and I got a coil bracket kit too that I gotta get. So yeah, that is where we are. Being that the trans out, have to go ahead and take the like I said, go and take the motor out. It'll be easy. Go and pull the motor. And I want to do, like I said, I want to do those clamshells too, so I gotta figure that out. What that bird got? That's nice as fuck. But yeah, enough of me rambling and mumbling. It's your dog, man, Big Belo, Mr. Ain't a Man himself. Catch y'all in the next one.